Hey there, superfood enthusiasts! Have you ever stopped to think about the incredible health benefits of cloves and turmeric? Well, today, we're diving deep into a showdown between these two powerhouse ingredients that have been cherished for centuries. Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for the latest trends in the world of superfoods. In this video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of cloves and turmeric, comparing their unique qualities and discussing their potential impact as superfoods in the year 2024. One of the biggest challenges faced by health-conscious individuals is deciding between cloves and turmeric, as both are hailed for their exceptional nutritional properties. With so much buzz surrounding these superfoods, it can be tough to determine which one deserves a spot in your daily diet. Let's start by delving into the origins of cloves and turmeric. Cloves, known for their warm and aromatic flavor, have been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. On the other hand, turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. When it comes to health benefits, both cloves and turmeric pack a punch. Cloves are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great addition to dishes for both flavor and nutrition. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help combat various diseases. In terms of culinary uses, cloves are often used in savory dishes, baked goods, and beverages to add depth and warmth. Turmeric, on the other hand, is a staple in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisine, lending its earthy flavor and vibrant color to curries, soups, and rice dishes. Scientific research has also shed light on the potential health benefits of both cloves and turmeric. Studies have shown that these superfoods may help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost immunity, and even protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Now, let's fast forward to 2024 and take a peek into the future of cloves and turmeric. Trends indicate a rising interest in incorporating these superfoods into daily diets, with innovative recipes and products hitting the market to cater to health-conscious consumers. Whether it's turmeric lattes or clove-infused desserts, the possibilities are endless. In the year 2024, we can expect to see a surge in the popularity and consumption of cloves and turmeric as more people recognize the incredible health benefits these superfoods have to offer. From boosting immunity to supporting overall well-being, these ingredients are set to become staples in kitchens around the world. In conclusion, both cloves and turmeric bring a wealth of health benefits to the table, making them worthy contenders in the superfood arena. While cloves offer a warm and aromatic flavor profile with anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric shines with its vibrant color and potent curcumin content. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you can harness their nutritional power and support your journey to a healthier lifestyle. So, which superfood gets your vote, cloves or turmeric? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe